I am Dr. Swarupa Mitra from Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center, and on behalf of Healthy Ho. Today I am going to talk about an important topic, which is the COVID vaccine. As we all know, after 8 to 9 months being on lockdown because of the COVID pandemic, today we are out with the COVID vaccine. I am proud to say that India is one of those very few countries who have rolled out not one but 2 vaccines which have been developed in our own country by our own scientists. So it's definitely a moment of pride, and I take great pride in coming to this show as well. Now let me address a few questions. In spite of so much being happening, but there are people where there are a lot of questions, lot of dilemmas, lot of fear about the vaccine, and this is mostly because of misinformation or small understanding. There's little understanding about this. So what is the vaccine do? A vaccine is like any other viral infection. A small part which is prepared from the virus is injected into the body, and this produces the immunity in the body, producing antibodies within the body, and these antibodies help the body to fight infection with the virus. So this is like any other vaccination, and so with COVID. Now the next question is that everybody asks that, do I develop an infection of COVID after this vaccine? Now this is very good about the Indian vaccine is that they are either inactivated vaccines, that is dead from the dead virus, or from the weakened part of not a COVID virus but from an adenovirus, and the vaccine is made from these two. So therefore it is very simple to understand. It cannot produce an infection. All it does is produce antibodies. So please do not get scared that you are going to catch a COVID infection because of these vaccines. No. Now, has the COVID vaccine been used before? Everybody asks, has anybody been using this vaccine before or not? Yes, it is. We are very in the very early phases of the trial or the study, and so yes, it has not been used on many people, but of course when we are rolling out the vaccine, then the government has taken all care about the safety and the efficacy of the vaccine. So yes, they are efficacious. About 70% has been said it is the 70% efficacious, and they are absolutely safe. Since it is in the trials, there are many participants both in India and abroad who have taken part in this trial, and all of them have found the vaccine to be very safe. Now what are the side effects that we expect? Yes, like any vaccine, or for that matter even an antibiotic, they have some side effects, but we need to weigh the benefits and the risks. All these side effects which I am going to mention right now are very mild, and most of them are cured just by rest or maybe just a crocin tablet. So what are these side effects? So the first is that since we take the injection on the deltoid muscle, there may be some swelling, some redness, some itchiness in that area. So there may be some kind of feverish feeling, a feeling of not feeling well, then tiredness. Some people have told about nausea also, and some feeling of chill, general body ache, aches over the joints. These have been reported, but most of them, I can assure you, are very mild, and they have just gone off with a few hours of rest. I have taken it myself. I had just nothing. I had gone to the gym, I had done a full OPD, and even the next day I came, I felt just nothing. Let me tell you, I am more than 50. Next is, who can take the vaccine? Everybody can take the vaccine, and all of you must take it with pride. Now, what about the people who suffer from cancer or diabetes or hypertension? Can they take the vaccine or not? Yes, the people who are suffering from diabetes, hypertension, or these kinds of comorbidities are in the priority list of the government. So after the health workers, these are the people who are going to receive the vaccine. But of course, please meet your own personal physician to clarify any doubts and get it yourself tested by him and then go for the vaccination. What happens if you don't take the vaccine? There are many people who say that I am very strong, I go to the gym, I don't have any comorbidities, then why should I take the vaccine? The reason is that it may not be for yourself. You may not develop the infection at all in your lifetime. But what about, you never know, you may be a silent carrier. So what about your people, your family members, your elderly parents who are staying with you at home? So they may catch the infection from the dormant, you being a dormant carrier. So not for you, but for your elderly parents and your loved ones, and for that matter anybody ailing around you, you should take the vaccine to keep them safe. Who should not take the vaccine? Now, there are a few things the health worker always asks you when you go for the vaccination. So please be very frank with them. If you have any history of any allergy, if you have any fever, you're suffering from any ailment, then please tell the health workers. If you are taking some medicine which is decreasing your immunity, if you are taking some medicine like blood thinners, then you are the person who probably may not take the vaccination, and please consult your doctor regarding this. A lady who is pregnant, lady who is lactating, or a lady even who is planning to be pregnant, I think you people, you should not take the vaccination. But once again, I would always say, please consult your own doctor. Now, if a person is suffering from COVID, or if a person has recovered from COVID infection, does he need to take the vaccine or not? This is a very valid question, because these are the people who have already developed the antibodies. So why should they take the vaccine? So my answer is that we still do not know how long these antibodies act in you, or when the antibodies develop. So that is why, as a precautionary measure, it is better to take the vaccination even if you have suffered from COVID and recovered from COVID. But there are some guidelines. Please, if you are suffering from COVID, then you need to wait for about 14 days and then go ahead for the vaccination. How is the vaccine administered? The vaccine is administered in 2 doses. They are about 4 to 6 weeks apart, but there are some studies going on in UK where they are planning to get it in 12 weeks apart. But right now the schedule is 4 to 6 weeks apart between the 2 doses, and it is given in intramuscularly. It is like a small mosquito bite in the arm, the upper arm. And even after taking the vaccination, the antibodies do not develop immediately. It develops about 14 days after the second dose. Most important question, do you go ahead with the precautionary measure, the prevention measures even after the COVID vaccination? Even after you've taken the vaccines, yes, you need to wear your mask, you need to use your sanitizer, and you need to maintain the social distancing. So it is not over as yet. We need to wait and see how the vaccines does and how long the antibodies are there in the body. So as long as we don't have the answer to them, please go ahead with your mask and sanitization and the social distancing. So I end here with a message that please don't get scared of the COVID vaccination. They are perfectly safe. Please take, whenever your turn comes, please go ahead and take the vaccination with pride and with confidence. Thank you.
और हेल्दी जानकारी के लिए लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो हेल्थी हो।